This is our video number part 11. In this video, we are going to learn about mirror feature. So let's start. We'll take mirror feature. Here we have to select the feature that we have to mirror it. So here I want to select this feature to mirror, and we need to select a mirror plane. We click on mirror plane, and here we have this planes right now. If we don't have plane, we have to generate the plane first. So I'll select this plane, YZ, apply. Now here I have one cut feature. I want to mirror this cut feature other side. We can again go to mirror. We'll select this cut feature. We'll select the middle plane. About that we want to mirror it. I'll select this plane and apply. Now if you want to mirror a complete body, we can use one more option, mirror geometry. We'll go to menus, insert, and we'll go for associative copy, and we'll take the option mirror geometry. So here we'll select this complete part as a geometry. So here we'll change the option to body and select all the geometry and select the mirror plane. About that we want to mirror a part. Apply. Like this way we can mirror bodies also. We have one more option, mirror face. Mirror face is generally we use for cutout, like that we did by mirror feature also. Same thing we can do by mirror face as well. I'll do undo. Mirror faces basically cutouts we can mirror by using mirror faces. Same thing we are doing with mirror feature also. Let's create one cutout face. So I'm just going to add one hole here, or one circular cut. Finish. We'll select the sketch and go for extrude. Reversing the direction, selecting the body, and keep a subtract and apply. So that is get cutted. So this face we want to mirror it other side. So let me hide the sketch, Control B. So we can also use mirror face. We'll go to insert and use associative copy, mirror face option. So these are the three options of mirror. So I'll take here mirror face. We'll select the face to mirror. We need to select the plane. About that we want to mirror this. We'll select the plane and apply. So we have learned how to use mirror feature, mirror geometry, and mirror face option. If you like this video, subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching this video.